The First Act Discovery drum set is a real acoustic drum set. Designed especially for kids, this drum set features tunable drum heads and is a great starter instrument for young, aspiring drummers. Featuring a bass drum with bass drum pedal, a mounted snare drum with on-off mechanism, also known as the snare drum throw-off, a mounted tom drum, a mounted crash ride cymbal, and a drum seat. The First Act Discovery drum set also features a patented quick-release mounting system, making setup easy and fast. Drums are always set up correctly and stay in place. Learn some basic beats with our unique color and shape learning guide. Simply apply the included stickers to the drums in Simple and play along to the patterns in the guide. Kids will be drumming in no time. The set also includes a pair of drumsticks and a tuning key. The First Act Discovery drum set is a great way to introduce kids to drumming and percussion. Get one and start drumming today.
KPP Electric Drum Set, the various rhythm for play and learn. This is better than the real electric drum set, which includes 9 drum pads and 2 pedals. It also comes programmed with 6 demo songs, 7 drums, styles, and 10 accompaniments. You can use the aux cable to connect your mobile phone and play your favorite accompaniment. It's got a conveniently wide array of volume and tempo control, plus you can record your beats and play them back. It also has a rechargeable battery for up to 5 hours of playing time on a single charge. A USB port, headphone jack, and auxiliary in and outdoor. Product package, all the associated cables are included. Portable handle, and to complete, but conveniently foldable set, we also include 2 drumsticks, a USB cable, a pedal set, an aux audio input line, and an electric drum. KPP Electric Drum was designed with beginner drummers and professional drummers. Convenience in mind.
You know what? What? I'm bored. I'm bored too. We should start a band. That's a great idea.